For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XLT in Shadow Black. It has black premium cloth interior, seating for 4. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 5-foot box. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and there's the high mount light. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. You also have your lane keeping located there, the car in the middle of the little dotted lines. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have a menu we can toggle through. So trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center is a little cubby to put items, and we have a touch screen. You can go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. You also have your climate. When you touch on there, you'll see you have the dual climate control for driver and passenger. You can also go into your settings, slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, forward pass, and so forth. And down below, hazard lights, there's your volume and tuner, and then you have your front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC, and there's your dual climate control with the fan in the center. Down below, 2 12 volts plus 2 USB outlets. And there's your hill descent, auto stop start, locking differential, trailer tow, as well as traction control. And then you have your 4x4. This is your terrain modes. So you have normal. As I press through, you can see the different options: grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and back around again. You have an automatic select shifter, your emergency parking brakes right beside you, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up and you just unclick, and there's lots of room in there. You can put items down there if you want. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls. You also have a sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below your Ford badge is your backup camera. You also have your backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then easily open up that tailgate just by pulling the latch. Inside, the box is nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. There's a speaker in the door, as well as a fixed window. There's seating for 2 in the back, and the unique thing about this is the seats come right off. So I've taken this one seat off. It's got hooks on it. There's a diagram on the bottom showing you how it all works. You unlock this by simply turning, and then you can open it up. You've got a nice little bin underneath, and then you can just press it down and lock it back up again by turning it. In the center, you have a little cubby, couple of USB outlets, and a 110. Up above, there's hooks and lights, and in the back, there's a sliding window with rear defrost. Bumper, mud flaps, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and this vehicle also comes with mats that are carpeted and all weather. And there's so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.